Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger problem, that is new messages will appear here. So guys, when you open your messenger and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram messenger, and guys you need to click on your three lines, and guys check that how many accounts are logged in your messenger. So guys, if you are using more than one account, then guys simply you need to remove all the accounts and log in only one account on your Facebook Messenger. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you need to scroll it down and click here. You need to find a messenger, and guys if not find show all, click on messenger and click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys after doing this, simply you need to open your app store and guys search here messenger. And guys after searching messenger you need to open your messenger here. And guys after opening it, you need to update your messenger from here. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not the option of update. So guys, if you have the option of update, then guys simply you need to update from here. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Instagram messenger smoothly. So guys, if still not fixed your messenger, then guys simply you need to open your settings again, click on general, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. And guys after doing this you need to go back and click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, go back, click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And guys after doing all the steps your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.